You're so close.
All right, we're walking on.
Here we go.
There's two gateways, so once we want to go to the second gateway, you stay all the way to the left, you get on the second gateway.
Okay.
Wait. All right, we got on the second gangway because the other one was a little too crowded.
Got this one all to ourselves.
Right. So we're going right in. About to get on the Marnier and the other seas.
Port Canaveral.
Port Canaveral. So we'll keep you with us until we get on so we can show an official entry onto the Marnier and the other seas. This is a zigzag one.
Around.
All right, you on board yet? We ain't on board. You gotta get on board.
We're about to step on.
Officially on board. On the left.
Okay.
So everybody else is. I don't know if we get on this one. You go that way?
We'll come to you.
You don't like this gentleman over here?
He's alright.
Don't disappoint this big heart.
Okay, let's do a picture of it together.
Alright.
You're gonna keep all your bags on the side. Now you know the purpose of traveling with her.
Picture time.
We can go in right there too.
Alright, guys.
You ready, family?
You want I can hold the camera for you? Okay. Right here. This
Okay, ready? 1, 2,
Okay,
3.
catch the moment. All right.
Show your excitement. Woohoo! Thank you.
Picture, great.
Can I have your room number, please?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
9650, I think.
Guys, if you want to
Okay, it's Jacqueline.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay,
It's
that
you.
means all the
Room number
pictures
is first.
Okay.
Cool.
Put my name in the back of the flyer, right?
Oh, Gabriel. Alright, thanks, guys.
You're welcome. Enjoy cruising. Are you ready, family? All together here?
Give him the room number.
Yeah.
Leave your bags on this side if you don't mind. You want to be after them, sir? Meanwhile, you want to leave your bags on the side?
Alright, let's go on in. Took the pictures. There's the door open up in the middle. Cool.
No, this one will be fine.
Welcome aboard. Little formation.
Thank you.
Hello guys, this is Jobs and James Italian.
Alright. Sign.
Job James is on here. Reservation for the time. Come and enjoy Job James and James. Have you been in specialty restaurant now?
We don't have the package now.
Would you like to book it one, ma'am?
Well, we got a group coming, so we want to see where everybody's gonna dine. So we'll probably have to do that later.
I'd like to make a reservation for all of you. Would like to come? Yes,
Just for
it's a
Jamie's
really
or any of them?
We have chops grill. Actually, this package is very convenient. You will get the first experience of chops grill. Then after that, you say you like to go to Jamie's or Chop Grill or Izumi as you like. Our menu is really, really good. That's our menu for chops grill.
Okay. Yeah.
We have 4 more people coming, so
Yeah.
we'll wait until they get on to see if they want to do it as well.
And as well, we have the Italian restaurant where you have the menu.
Okay. Let's take a look. Okay.
4:15?
Yeah, bring it with you.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know what. We're gonna put it right now.
Seems like more narrow than.
Yeah, than what you see it on TV.
Well, there's some looking on the hallway because I don't see someone there. The cafe. Looks like a Mustang. Look at all the sports, I mean.
I know. Alright, we're here at the Cafe Promenade. Had our first quick meal. Since we're waiting on some of our friends and family to arrive, we're trying to get a quick little bite outside of the buffet. It's a nice quiet area. You can see not too many people.
No waiting.
No wait. No fights for seats. You know.
Yeah, buffets can get pretty hectic on embarkation day.
Right. So there's other options where you can go somewhere a little quieter and without all the hectic of embarkation.
Grab a bite.
So yeah, waiting on our rooms. Said about 1 o'clock we should be able to get in our rooms. So we'll see about that. Hopefully next time you see us we'll be in the room. I'm gonna go find Donkey Kong.
Deck 9. Doors opening.
Alright guys, going to the room, trying to find and see if we're ready for check-in. We're gonna find out in a minute. I don't know if we're ready or not. But I don't know if our room's ready. We're waiting on the our bags and our sign and sale card. So we're just gonna head over to the room real quick, see if it's waiting for us.
Oh, look at that.
Over Royal Promenade, hanging out. I know I said we'll be in our rooms, but our rooms aren't ready.
About 30 minutes, I think.
About 30 minutes from now. So we'll get some footage in the room here hopefully in the next 30 minutes. All right, guys, we'll see you soon. Room tour 9650. All right, and we have Denise.
I don't come out the room.
And we're gonna show the bathroom first. The old circular shower. Looks like it's a little stuck. All right. Oh, it's two sides. Not bad. Decent size shower looks like. Normal head, hair and body wash right there. Sufficient. This is the Spacious balcony room. All right. Towel racks, toilet, standard. Nothing to write home about. You got the closet space is pretty sufficient. You got shelves going all the way down.
A lot of hangers.
Hangers, life jackets. You know, unpack once and you're done. You probably fit almost everything you got right in this closet. Not bad there. Now we'll say it's a spacious balcony, but the entry is very narrow. Very narrow. There's that full-length mirror shot. The famous full-length mirror shot right there. The couch with the niece on it. The luggage is here. TV and your desk and work area here. We got the drink package, so it came with our cups. We can use these all over the ship to get refills. We do have the internet as well, the Voom.
What's it say to go to?
Fastest internet at sea. And you have some more storage here. Actually, looks like you got some storage here in the mirror by the desk. Pretty cool. There's one on each side, actually. So, not too shabby. Still has a lot of little stuff in there. Got some more storage up here. Not bad. Got some more here. Oh, there's the safe, so that's not storage. This is where you store your valuables. So, in essence, it is storage. TV. We know this pulls all the way out, which is really nice when you're on the bed trying to watch a little TV. Watch some Monday Night Football probably right there tonight.
You forgot the fridge down there too.
Oh, yeah.
Mini fridge.
Forgot about the mini fridge and the storage down here too.
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
Lots of doors. Hair dryer.
That's our hair dryer. Yep. Some more. There's your mini fridge. Since we travel agents, it should be stocked with a lot of liquor and stuff. Let's see. Oh, nothing. No perks, no perks. What's going on? Some more drawers over here. So, once you get in the room, even though the entry is narrow, it widens up pretty good.
Mm-hmm. There's a lot of floor space and stuff here.
Yeah, once you do get in the room. Alright, so go over by the bed area. Got your phone, call some room service with that. They got the little divider curtain. You can put in, what was that text? King size bed. And then we got the spacious balcony, which is a little bit bigger than the normal balcony. And from what I can tell, it seems like it's just a little deeper. Just the parking lot over there. So that there is the spacious balcony room. So basically, take a look at it to see if it's worth it for you to spend a little extra on the spacious balcony as opposed to the regular balcony, as opposed to the ocean view. On the Marnier, you also have the overlooking balconies of the promenade. So, you know, you have a lot of choices, but this is just one of them. we'll see you soon. Got a lot more to show you on this ship. Talk to you later. These guys. This is my Uncle Walter, and this is his wife Dee.
Hello.
So, say hi to all the DNR travelers, our
Coming
peoples.
all the way from Brooklyn.
Brooklyn's in the house.
Time is worth 10%.
They want to get paid, and we haven't got monetized yet, so y'all get paid before we do.